We're gonna put our new desk together. We're gonna put our new desk together. There's the box. I'm gonna move my coffee table over so I have more space on the floor. There we go. So we're gonna cut this open first. I guess we'll go this way so you can see that part. I have this little thing. See this thing? See it? And you just push this and a little thing pops up. See that? It is plastic. It can't hurt you. Can't hurt you. But it'll rip anything open. Isn't that great? So I need to get a couple more of them because I need them like downstairs in my office. So I don't have to keep coming from one room to the other to get it. I think I may be able to just lay it down. Okay. So what happened with the old desk, my husband got it for me. It's the one I picked out. I had it delivered. He put it together. And from the time that we put it together, at first I thought it was only when it was standing, like when I would, rise it all the way up. But then I realized, no, it was all the time. It was shaking. Like it was, even when I was typing, I would be typing and my computer, like I was looking into replacing my computer because I was like, oh, the computer's too heavy, blah, blah, blah. I have a big Mac. It's like, I think the 27-inch. So I thought it was that. Then I was like, well, no, because they say you can put like 200 pounds on it. My Mac doesn't weigh 200 pounds, nor did anything else on my desk. So I finally contacted the company and I said, hey, is it supposed to shake? I've tried everything. It's level, we put it together. They said, make sure everything is tightened. Sometimes with going up and down, that can happen. Okay, so I had my husband tighten all the screws again, everything. He said, everything's tight. So it continues. I'm going crazy. I'm leveling it. I'm moving it around the room. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this so that I don't go crazy, right? Like I think I tried for about 2 weeks, took it all apart, put it back together. I get on my desk. Ooh, I said, you've got to be kidding me. So I emailed them and I sent them a video because they said, please send a video so we could see, maybe we could, tell you what to do. So I sent them the video and I showed them like literally just with one finger on where like the desk is where I would be typing, just one, and my whole thing's going blah, 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 blah. So they offered that they could send me another one, a replacement, or I can get a refund. And at that point I was like, you know what, just send me the refund. Because I too was thinking, I think I just need something sturdier. So this one was a bit more expensive. It has 4 legs. What's in the box? Did you ever see the movie Seven? That's what I'm quoting. It was Brad Pitt. There's the desk. Please tell me that you've seen that movie, because if you haven't, you're probably thinking, what's wrong with her? He was actually dating Gwyneth Paltrow at the time. Yeah. And so something really bad happens and a box is being delivered and he starts going, what's in the box? So whenever we're getting packages, my husband goes, what's in the box? This is going on like 20 friggin' years. But anyway. So we have the motor. That's this thing right here. Then we have these pieces that go on the side of each thing. And then we have this box contains all the little screws and everything else we're going to need to put it together. And then also the cord that connects to this so that you can plug it in. Then you have these 2 bar thingies, which we have to look at the instructions to see where they go. And then these are the legs. These 2 go on one side, and those two go on the other, and then that's the top of the desk. So now we have to get to this and read. That's everything. Well, almost everything. There's other pieces here, and then all the other stuff is here. We're gonna put it together in the office. So this video will definitely be after I reveal the office. Just the legs alone, because there's 4 now instead of just the 2 legs. Those alone, I swear, are heavier than the whole desk was, the other desk. So this is definitely gonna be a lot sturdier. The only sad thing is that it's not all one piece on top. It's 2 pieces that are connected. But I am going to have a mat that's going to cover, you know, like for the keyboard. So I'm going to have like a mat that covers all that anyway. And then the computer and the computer shelf will be on the other side of that. So it's not like it'll be seen. Let's get to it. Well, it's the next morning and we're back again. Okay, we're gonna flip her over. This one is definitely heavier than the last desk. This desk ain't gonna wobble nowhere. And it's wider. But look at it. Are you kidding me now? Beautiful. Now we just have to check how it goes up and down. Okay, before we put all our stuff back, I want to plug it in and see what it's like when it's raised, because it is sturdy. I'm a little excited right now. I will tell you this motor is a little bit louder. Like the other motor was very quiet. Let's see, standing. Not even a little wobbly. Okay, I give this desk 10 out of 10. Easy assembly. The instructions are pretty simple. I think the only thing that I was confused about was the place where the battery goes, because I was looking for the piece that you're supposed to put in. It was already connected. So I kept looking for this piece, and I said to my husband, I think you threw out a piece I needed. And then I looked and I was like, because I was looking at it, I was like, okay, well, this looks, and then I pulled out, the charger where you connect everything. And that was the piece I was looking for. So the only thing I would say is maybe they can put that it is packaged together so that, you have to pull it apart. Other than that, everything is amazing. This is a bit longer. This is 28, not longer, wider. This is 28 and it's by 55. And the smaller desk that I had here was 24 by 44. So it was a little bit shorter and more narrow. The only other thing that maybe some people might not like is that this is a two-piece. So these two pieces go together. So you kind of like, put it together and then you do everything. I don't mind this very much because I am going to get like a nice mat to put here for my keyboard and everything. And on this side is going to be that white shelf. So it doesn't affect me. I thought it would. So here it is. It's all up and ready to go. I think I want to get like something that doesn't, so that this doesn't slide around. The motor, I don't know if you can hear it. Like I said, it's a little bit louder than the one that I had. Not like, oh, I can't do it at night because it's loud. Just a little bit louder. If you want a nice sturdy, this is a 4-legged, nice sturdy desk, there'll be a link below for this desk. Go get yourself one. There it is. That's what you want to get. And putting it all together, pretty much myself, I just had my husband tighten a couple things, and I only had one nail break.